Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive technology. Today, we're diving into the world of fuel injector maintenance with what I believe is the best switch injector kit available on the market. Introducing the Fuel Injector Cleaner Kit with 8 pulse modes and tester, a versatile tool designed to keep your vehicle's fuel injectors running smoothly and efficiently. This kit is packed with features that make it a standout choice for any DIY enthusiast or professional mechanic. First off, let's talk about compatibility. With 4 different blue tube adapters included, this kit works seamlessly with fuel injectors from BMW, VW, Audi, and most cars and motorcycles. Whether you're working on cars, motorcycles, electric vehicles, ATVs, or boats, this kit has you covered. Now, let's talk about the heart of this kit, the 8 pulse modes and LED display. With 4 pulse signal output modes and 2 voltage levels, this kit offers unparalleled versatility. Whether you need short, medium, or long pulses, this kit has the mode for you. But what really sets this kit apart is its ability to simultaneously test 2 injectors. Made with high-quality silicone wire and equipped with reverse polarity and short-circuit protection, you can trust that this kit will stand up to the toughest jobs. So there you have it, folks. The Fuel Injector Cleaner Kit with 8 pulse modes and tester, the best switch injector kit on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews of top-notch automotive products. Until next time, happy wrenching!